Courtney, 44, you get an afternoon to yourself. How do you spend it? What is that? I don't understand what that is, an afternoon to myself. Don't know what that is, but I wouldn't change that. Hi, I'm Sandra Bullock, and I am answering InStyle's readers' questions. Didn't sound right, did it? No. Okay, Ruthie, 30, asks, what's the easiest thing to cook if you're a bad cook and want to try and impress someone? First of all, don't pretend like you can cook when you can't. I say you call Postmates and you have them do the cooking for you so you can just enjoy good company and not be a liar. Because that's gonna catch up, did to me. Macy, 29, asks, what's a polite way to end a conversation at a party? Say, I need to use a restroom, and then don't come back. Jennifer, 28, asks, I'm about to meet my new boyfriend's parents for the first time. Any advice? What should I wear? Well, I say you should wear a sense of humor, wear a lot of kindness, because those parents probably love the hell out of their son. So just show them what an amazing woman you are and that you're gonna be good to him and be good to the mama, because one day that's gonna happen to me and that girl better be good to me. Marie, 34, asks, how do I make my child feel special without spoiling them or overdoing it? If what you're doing is loving them, you can never overdo it. If you're buying them stuff, stop. Just love them. It's usually the look in your eye that makes them feel special, not something in a box that you bought. Alexandra, 34, I have a friend who makes snide comments about my parenting. How should I deal with it? First question is, do they have kids? If not, ask them to be the parent of your household for a week while you go to a spa, and then come back and see if she still says the same thing. Marie, 23, what does your ideal Friday night look like? 4 of us piled on a bed, watching cartoons that I don't understand and falling asleep with hot limbs all over your body, and then carrying little people to bed. It's the best. It's the best. I usually fall asleep first. Joan, 33, what's the least glamorous part of getting ready for the red carpet? Everything. Everything. It's scary doing red carpet. You're usually in something that doesn't fit as well as it should because you ate too much on your last movie. I don't think anybody feels as good as they might end up looking on the red carpet. I think the men feel better than the women. Allison, 30, can you tell us how it was on the set of Ocean's 8 with so many incredibly talented women? Is there a particularly special moment you experienced with your co-stars you can share? The operative phrase being that I can share. Yeah, there was a lot of good times. For some reason, what's coming to mind is that Helena Bonham Carter was like a cat. I could take the laser pointer, and just at random moments, I would point the laser pointer on the floor, and she would jump out of the chair and follow it like a human cat. It was incredibly impressive. Sarah Paulson trying to sing like Rihanna. Work, 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 work. Never sounded like Rihanna, but she tried. We had a pretty good time.